This week we have 6 new words we're going to be learning. So the first word we have is find. I can find my backpack. Let's go ahead and spell the word find. F-I-N-D. Find. Can you say find? Great job. The next word is the word food. I like food. Let's go ahead and spell food together. F-O-O-D. Can you say food? Food. Good job. Our next word is more. Can I have more food? Let's go ahead and spell the word more. M-O-R-E. Can you say more? Good job. The next word is over. I can see snow over those hills. Let's go ahead and spell over. O-V-E-R. And can you say over? Great job. And check out over. It's got our at the end right here, our ER. The next word is the word start. Can you start the car? Let's go ahead and spell start. S-T-A-R-T. Start. Can you say start? Good job. And if you look in here, we have another bossy R. We have AR, our pirate R. The last word this week is the word warm. It is warm in this room. Let's go ahead and spell warm. W-A-R-M. Go ahead and say warm. Warm. Good job. And we also have an AR there. Warm. So it sounds a little bit different in this word. Let's go ahead and look at the top. We're going to go through each one together, and then I'm going to go back and see if you can say it before I do. So we have find, food, more, over, start, warm. All right, ready? See if you can say it before I do. Find, food, more, over, start, warm. All right, you're gonna head on over to the next video where I'm gonna show you how to do your I Spy page.